So yesterday I started one raised bed right there. In there I have strawberries, basil, marigold, and two types of strawberries. Marigold, basil, I think that's it. Today's plan is to get rid of the weeds right there, right there, and then try to finish the rest of these other raised beds. Let's see how it goes. So here are the strawberries. Right here in the middle is basil. I had to use a rock because this was not staying, the drip. Other strawberries, pine berry strawberries right there, and then this has marigolds right there. In that section, today's goal is to get rid of all of the weeds there and plant the other raised beds right there. Oh shoot, that sounds What are you doing? Huh? Okay. See the worm? No, you're not gonna what? No, do not eat, no, you don't eat what? No, don't eat worms. You hungry? Then why would you eat a worm? Why you trying to eat a worm? Yeah, are you gonna feed the worm? Oh, you don't eat it. So I cleaned up most of it. A lot of it's clear. What I put from the Ripple bottle was this vinegar, salt, and dish soap concoction. Hopefully it kills weeds. We shall see. I'll get more of this later. Right now, and this later. Right now, I'm going to focus on cleaning this part up and then doing the second bed. Hold on. Let's start. Okay, cleaned it up a little bit. I know it's dirt, so it's gonna be there. But at least it's easier to walk. Now I'm gonna tackle this raised bed. I'm gonna do the same thing I did yesterday. Putting it in the wheelbarrow first to kind of get rid of all the weeds and grown stuff. Don't know what I'm planning here yet. I'll have to check my list. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out which ones I am doing in this raised bed. This one is one of three of the littler ones. Those two are the bigger ones. But I think I'm gonna do tomatoes, bell pepper, and oregano in this one. And this one I was thinking of doing the lettuce, kales, and spinach. And maybe using that bucket for something else. I think in this one I'm gonna do carrots, rosemary, sage, green onion. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do in this one. Okay, so rearranged this a little bit, and here probably gonna be carrots, green onion, sage, and rosemary. This was a recycled, I don't know actually what it was, but recycled thing we're gonna use as a trellis. This conveniently fit inside of this, so I'll put the rest of the strawberries from over there into here. In these containers, we're gonna do potatoes. That is more tomatoes, oregano, bell pepper, other tomatoes, more potatoes, and then this is going to have kale, lettuce, I can't see it, but chamomile, spinach. I think I'll put collard greens in this one. And here we beets, cabbage, garlic, and this really cool like chocolate mint that I've never heard of or seen, but I'm excited to make something out of it though. But yeah, chocolate mint. And that's it from there. So now I'm gonna work on this one right now to clean it out and then get that ready. And then I probably will do the tomatoes as well. Okay, so each of the beds, well, each of these three have like the lining in them. So So right now, since I'm growing carrots, I'm trying to work through the soil so it won't have anything interfering with it. Just kind of breaking it up, make sure there's no rocks in the soil, because if not, the carrots will have odd shapes. I've learned from by mistake or learn from experience. So I'm trying to just kind of work through this soil that's like mixed with like natural dirt, wood chips. I think some compost was in here, but I'm not for sure. These are already pre-existing, and then I'm going to work in this, take out all the weeds and stuff like that, and then add them to here. Mixed in some organic garden soil. Kellogg, I think it's a brand, Kellogg's Organic. Got it all leveled out with the soil. I'm gonna do sage, rosemary, probably do carrots, and then green onion. I'll probably switch it. Green onion and carrots. Let's see how it goes. Be right back. All done with this one. Now I have to just put in the drip system, lay it down. Hopefully not as bad as that one took, but we'll see. Much easier, just lay flat. Perfect. Gonna use the soil that I got from that raised bed over there to add for the strawberries. I gotta take that out too. All done, and this one I put 2 pine berries in there. Let's see how that works out.
What is that?
Okay, so this slow drip system doesn't have punctures, so we have to actually create them. I think we're gonna put one maybe here, because we're doing 4, so we're doing 4, so every 4, so we'll do 1 here, maybe 1 here. We'll divide this in half, so like 1, I don't even know, 1 here and 1 here, and then divide that into 2, like kind of even space it to 4. Yeah, and then yeah, I think that works. Oh, perfect. We have water. And water for high quality H2O.
That seems like something.
It's all water, so. All right. Next one.
It's naturally gonna twist a little bit.
It's like a little twist. What are you using? I'll see.
I can't put the water out.
You trying to get the worm out of the hole?
The water out.
Can you tell me the little tool that you use for the other thing? Oh, this is like a little pointer. And then that just pops in there. Let me see a little tool thing. Can I see it real quick? And then twist it out. Perfect. To make the hole. This is much easier than I thought it was, actually.
What is this?
All 4 are installed. This one has less weeds, so I'm probably not gonna put it in the wheelbarrow like the other ones. But just manually just take all the weeds out.
These things in the hose and then it.
But
Oh.
1, 2,
So this
3,
What is this?
and 4. And this one will have tomatoes
I don't know.
and basil. No, not basil. Tomato
Got
and
the fire
oregano.
Put it in there until it sticks.
Almost. Want to try?
Get closer. I'm in the way. There you go.
Try again.
You use both your hands.
Got it? And Dad, help push it. Me have to push. Help Daddy. Me have to push. Help you.
Go ahead.
Good job! You did
Do a
it.
couple taps. Make sure it's in. Just push it.
Good job. Birds do eat worms. Third garden bed done. Full of tomatoes, oregano, and bell pepper. I'm on a roll, so I made him doing these two. Making a little sign out of recycled wood.
Got it?
Come on, Sing.
Right
You can do
there.
it.
There you go.
Press
Pull
it.
Pull it hard.
Whoa!
Sorry. I didn't help you enough there. Oh, hold on. I gotta do something real quick. I wasn't as ready as I thought for you to do it. Go ahead.
Go ahead,
now.
Sing.
Try again. Ready?
Oh!
Easier said than done.
There's always the
So there's a lot of bugs in here, so we're gonna put rosemary to repel them. There's gonna be spinach. Uh-oh. Spinach. Spinach in here. I shouldn't have covered it. Greens. There'll be kale, lettuce, and then sage, and then chamomile. We put soil down, took out weeds. Now we're gonna plant these and be done. Just finished planting all of these. Don't know if it's enough space, but we shall see. Again, I'm not a professional. I just do it as a hobby because it's my little therapy. But we shall see. There's kale, collard greens, rosemary, spinach, lettuce, chamomile, and sage. We shall see. 1, 2, 3 raised beds done. Tomorrow I'll get to that one. So I'm stopping for today because it's getting late and the sun is going down, but we were able to finish 1, 2, 3 raised beds, clean up some weeds. We'll start again tomorrow with the rest of this. Thanks for watching. Bye.